Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting mango pickle at home. First, choose firm, unripe mangoes, about 2 pounds, ensuring they are free from blemishes. Wash them thoroughly under running water and then dry them completely with a clean cloth. Any moisture can lead to spoilage, so this step is crucial for longevity. Next, cut the mangoes into 1-inch pieces, discarding the seeds. Now, let's prepare our aromatic spice blend. You'll need 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, and 3 tablespoons of red chili powder for a vibrant kick. In a separate pan, heat 2 cups of mustard oil until it just begins to smoke, then let it cool completely. This process removes any raw taste. Combine your mango pieces with 1/4 cup of salt and 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, mixing well. Once the oil has cooled, pour it over the mango and spice mixture. Stir everything thoroughly, ensuring each mango piece is coated. This oil layer acts as a preservative. Now, carefully transfer the pickle into clean, sterilized glass jars, pressing down to remove any air bubbles. Make sure the oil completely covers the mangoes. Seal the jars tightly and store them in a cool, dark place for 7-10 days, allowing the flavors to meld and the pickle to cure. To ensure your mango pickle lasts for months, always use a clean, dry spoon when serving. Introducing moisture can quickly lead to spoilage. Also, consistently check that the oil layer completely covers the mango pieces in the jar. This creates an airtight seal. If the oil level drops, add more cooled mustard oil. With proper care, your delicious homemade mango pickle will be a delightful addition to your meals for a long time. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.